My name is Nikhil Pradhan, and I'm an intellectual property attorney in Foley & Lardner's manufacturing and innovative technology sectors. One of the biggest themes of the manufacturing sector this year is the ecosystem view for building commercial relationships. Companies are forming increasingly complex networks of suppliers, partners, and customers. The benefits of this approach are clear, including greater supply chain resilience and more opportunities to identify customer pain points and de-risk technologies. This is evident across software-defined vehicles, energy storage and electrification, and sensor system technologies. Given this context, companies taking advantage of the ecosystem should be rigorous in managing risks including data ownership, privacy and security, intellectual property, supply chain management, and finance and grant reporting.